Qubo brings you the best of technology designed into a simple product to add convenience to your everyday life. Go keyless with the Qubo Smart Door Lock and unlock a smarter way of living. The Qubo Door Lock has been tastefully designed to add grandeur to your main door. It comes in two contemporary colors, matte black and copper. It offers 5 secure access methods: fingerprint, PINCODE, access card, mobile phone, as well as a mechanical key. The Qubo Door Lock has stainless steel bolts to secure your main door. All family members can add their fingerprints and enjoy seamless entrance experiences. In addition, you can set multiple PIN codes as well. Advanced features such as timed access let you smartly manage entry of people into your home. You may provide 24 hours access to family members, timed access to domestic help, and one-time access to an unexpected visitor while you're away. The Qubo Door Lock also comes with a voice-guided option for increased convenience.
Door opened.
The device alerts you well in advance when it's time to replace the batteries. It also supports external JUMPSTART through a mini USB cable. It also comes with the state-of-the-art security features such as intruder guard, spy-safe PIN, double authentication, and more. It is time to bring home the Qubo Smart Door Lock and lose your keys for good.